Alright, boys and girls, these are the answers to last night's homework. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 plus 1, I have 2 circles. I add 1 more, and that's joining them to make a total of 3, or a sum of 3. I have 3 circles. I'm going to take away 1 circle, or separate it, leaving me 2 circles. Filling in the missing numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 comes next. 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, Sam saw stars in the sky. How many stars did Sam see in the sky? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He saw 10 stars. You're going to write the number next to each number word. So this says 3, so I'm going to write the number 3. This says 10, so I'm going to write the number 10. This says 13, so I'm going to write the number 13. Number 6, Bailey had 3 stickers. She needs 8 more stickers to win a prize. Draw a picture to show how many stickers Bailey needs to win the prize. We started with 3. We're going to draw 8 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8, 9, 10, 11. A total of 11. So I know 3 plus 8 equals 11. Raul picked 5 vegetables. Joseph picked 7 vegetables. Writing number sense to show how many vegetables the 2 boys picked. Well, I know Raul picked 5. And I know that Joseph picked 7, so I'm going to be adding. And that's going to give me a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's going to give me a total of 12. Jaden has 10 toys. He gives 7 toys to his brother. How many toys does Jaden have now? Use the picture south column. Jaden started with his 10 toys. He's going to give 7 away, meaning he's going to lose them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Write number sentence to show how many toys Jaden has now. He started with 10. He gives 7 away. That leaves him with 3 toys.